Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Around the House. Today we're going to be putting a new cord and cleaning up my Dewalt's drill. So let's get started. We're going to start by carefully removing the screws and the housing. Now I'm separating all the parts for cleaning. But before I start cleaning, I want to go ahead and replace the cord. I cut off the old cord and then replaced the boot onto the new cord. Then I slid the heat shrink tubes over the cords and cut the wires where I needed them. I left myself enough copper that I could join them together and add the solder. I don't solder very often, so I just did my best by making sure that there was solder on both sides of each wire. If you're enjoying this episode, please take a moment to hit that like and subscribe button. We would really appreciate it. When I finished soldering, I went ahead and put the heat shrink tubes over those areas and then heated them up. If you don't have these heat shrink tubes, don't worry, just use electrical tape. Now that I got that ratty old wire replaced, I went ahead and started cleaning all the parts on the inside, including the inside of the housing. I used a variety of things to do this cleaning. I had a toothbrush, a little wire brush, I had some degreaser, and also some WD-40 to help. After cleaning, I made sure that all the parts were completely dry before I made sure everything was re-greased, and then I started putting them back together. The hardest part was making sure that the trigger was sitting exactly where it needed to be. After fiddling with it for about 10 minutes, I went ahead and replaced the level bubble, set the boot back into place, and then I put the housing back together. I replaced the screws and then tightened them similarly to the way I would do it on lug nuts on the car. Now it was time to plug it in and make sure it worked. Works like a charm. Thank you for watching.